welcome back to another video. Happy Easter Sunday. So today we're going to be preparing some dumpling and banana and yellow yam with some tin mackerel. Yes guys, the Grace classic tin mackerel. So here we have our station already prepped. All our vegetables are cut up and ready to go. So yes guys, our stove is on high, so now I'm gonna go ahead and put in our seeds. So now I'm adding my hot pepper, scallion, bell pepper, 1 small onion, some tomato, so that's half of tomato, some bell pepper, scallion, and garlic. I'm gonna make sure I saute everything, lock in all the delicious flavors. And guys, this is amazing dish. Guys, this is one of my favorite dish. This is the first thing I learned to prepare. This with white rice. It's amazing also. So guys, right now I'm sauteing all this vegetable, and I'm gonna go ahead and make sure everything is locked in, all the nice spicy aroma. Guys, the aroma in this kitchen is amazing. I always tell you that when I'm sauteing vegetable, but it's amazing. So here we have our dumpling and banana and yam cooking on the other stove.